In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to hide liked videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to hide liked videos on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy and you can see here liked videos option. Click on this. When you will select only me, then your all the liked videos will be hidden, and if you select followers, then all the followers can see your liked videos. When you select on me, your videos will be hidden. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.